What's going on, everyone? Thanks for joining me today. Today's project is opening up a path to camp to get this tractor to. There's a bunch of work that I want to do. I need to get a bunch of stone up there, and I don't want to carry each stone by hand for 100 yards to get it to where it needs to be worked. And I'm pretty sure that I found the path to do that. Yesterday I scouted out a path that's going to require just minimal cutting, just a few little saplings that aren't doing all that great anyway, and I'm pretty sure I'm there. 12 years ago now, this property was logged, and there's a network of trails everywhere. And some of those trails I've maintained and kept in order. You know, they're corridor trails on the property. Other trails I've just let kind of grow up and let nature do their thing. One of those trails is right here, and I haven't taken anything up here. I barely ever walk it, but it's there. And it's kind of growing in, but nothing major. But there is a tree down in the way, which I have to cut. Now the campsite is way up on that knoll up there, and one of these logging roads skirts around the base of this knoll and up the back side of it. And from there I just have to get in and weave through some trees and cut down some small saplings. With any luck, that gets me right to where I'm building this camp. So, let's get to it. I got a tree to cut. In a windstorm last winter, this big maple snapped off and broke. And there she lies. And it fell right across this path, which goes straight up through there. So I have to move that. Well, that worked out about as well as I could have hoped for. It just went perfectly without a hitch, and as you can see, not one mature tree was cut, which is good. And that was on my list of requirements, to be able to sneak through here with minimal impact. So now I have a path in the woods so that I can wind this tractor through and haul out some materials here. It's going to save me a lot of work. I'm really excited about that. What a relief. Success. Thanks for watching, guys. More to come. Appreciate your support. I'll talk to you later.